Good.
Well, do you miss me?
Yes.
I miss you too. Thank you so much. And welcome to the class. For the girls who were asking what we are going to take today, we are going to complete the spelling part and we are going to complete the lesson of Greek word parts. What is Greek word parts? Who can remind me very fast? What is the Greek parts and the Greek roots and the Latin roots? What are
Like
they?
a word is from isn't English,
Yes.
then they make this English, but from another language, not from the English language.
Excellent, ya Amal. Thank you so much, and you deserve a star for this perfect answer. MashaAllah,
Miss
Amal.
Fairuz says her mic doesn't work.
Fix it. Fix it, ya Fairuz, or try to remove it at all and listen from the laptop. Okay, thank you so much, ya Amal. We said that some of the words in English didn't came from the English language itself, but it came from the root language. This root language is Latin, mostly, and Greek. And we have some of the Latin and Greek roots and words, and we blend them inside the English language, and we added some letters to them to make a new word. So why we do that? Why we learn about the Greek and Latin roots? Because we want to understand the root of some words in the English language, and we want to learn also how to use these roots to make a new word. Some of these roots that we have until now is the word scribe. Scribe in the Latin, it means what? It means to write. So for example, if I say, for example, the word, where is the word that I wanted to tell you? The word describe, for example. Describe, it means what? It means to write something that you saw it in your own eyes and write the description for it. Also, what else? What is manuscript? Also, it has the part script or scribe. So manuscript. Manuscript. It has also the type of what scribe right here. Also, we have thermo, which means heat. And this one comes from the Greek language. And we have pedo, which means steps. It came from the Greek language also. Also, we have bio, which means life. It comes from the Latin. So if you know that these are the roots of some of the words from other languages, then if we understand the meaning of it and we try to put another part on the word, on this word, I would say, for example, biology. Logy, it means a study. So biology, it means the study of life, which is what? Which is when you study nature, animals, plants. Also, if I say biography, graphy here, it means to write. Bio, it means life. So biography, it means to write a story about someone's life. So if I know that the root words, bio has meaning, graphy has meaning, pedo has meaning, thermo has meaning, if I put it with another word, then I would understand that maybe it's related to that meaning, like thermo, and then I put meter. Even if I don't understand what is the name of meter here, I would know that thermo, it's heat. Meter, maybe it comes from the word meter, centimeter. So maybe it's to measure the heat. You see how we use this one? When we understand the meaning of each root, it becomes easier for us to understand the meaning of extra words that we don't know it in English. And we can use these root words also to come up or form new words in English. And this is why now I can tell you, my girls, that every language in the world is expandable. What does it mean expandable, EMS? It means that every year you will find that there's new words that comes inside the English language. Every year we add more words. Yani if you have a dictionary from 10 years and you have a dictionary now in 2021, you will find that this dictionary that we have of the English language is bigger. Why? Because we added more words that the people since 100 years ago didn't know it, or even the people from 10 years ago didn't know it. Why? Because the language is expandable. We can add more words. The more we learn, the more we interact with other languages, the more we take from there and we put inside our language. This is what's the meaning of the word expandable. one of these words, for example, right now, you can take it in our daily life, even not only English, even the Arabic. If you come, for example, to the word YouTube. YouTube, aslan, it's not a word. Tube is a word. You is a word. They put it together, but it means something now. YouTube, it means the channel of the YouTube that you can upload videos on. If I say YouTuber, this word, aslan, it doesn't have root in the English language. But if you come right now to ask any person, what does it mean YouTuber? It's the person who goes on the YouTube and upload videos. So now it has meaning. But in the language, it didn't happen in the language before, and nobody knows it since 10 years ago. Also, we have, for example, tweet. We know that tweet is the sound of the bird, but now we use it as in the application of a Twitter. He tweeted, and we use it as what? We use it as a verb. He tweeted something, she tweeted something. I know that this tweet talk about this and this, and what does it mean tweet? No, I mean the Twitter. So now we have different meanings for the language and we use it in a different way. Also the word Instagram, it's not a word aslan. Put it as a person, Instagrammer. Snapchat, and then snapper, a person who make the snaps, I call him snapper. Okay, the girl who likes fashion, I will call her fashionista. This word, it doesn't exist aslan in the language. Also the word diva. Diva is a word that means a really strong, independent woman, okay? Diva, if you come back to the language, you wouldn't find this word aslan in the English language, but during the last few years, we have it. So that means that the language is expandable. The more that you interact with other languages and with other cultures, the more you add to your own language and to your own dictionary. That's why we always want to open our minds for the things around us and to learn more and more. Okay, let's go ahead right now and to open the page 379 in the notebook. Okay, this is the page I want you to open. I will write it right here for you. So Tala, focus. It's 379 in the notebook. Okay, who can read? Mariana, are you there?
Yeah.
Okay, I want you please to read the first question and the first sentence for you.
Where write the list of words that complete each sentence.
Okay. Yes, Marianne. Yes, Marianne. Read the first one, please, for you.
A telescope lens magnifies distant objects.
Excellent. So number one will be telescope. Number two, طيب, in the same sentence. Yes, Mariana. Telescope. Also magnify distant objects. So number one will be telephoto, not telescope. And the other one would be telescope. Telephoto, it's a lens that magnifies distant object, telephoto. And then we have a telescope also magnifies distant objects. Number three, yeah, Tina.
Yes.
Yes, Tina. Number three for you. Read the sentence and tell me what do you think we should put here in number three.
Keep tracks of the distance walked.
If you are walking and step by step, who is the device that count the steps for you? What we call it?
I know, but I forgot.
Here from the box. Read the words and try to tell me which one do you think it's the device.
Millimeter.
Millimeter? No, millimeter. It's a major of the numbers.
Is what's number two? Telephone and telephoto and what?
Telescope. Telescope. So we have these words, Sitina. Telephone, paragraph, telegraph, telecommute, graphic, telescope, millimeter, pedometer, thermometer, and then diameter, autograph, phonograph, photographer, photocopy, television, kilometer, centimeter, speedometer, barometer, and telephoto. We have telephoto and telescope are done. Yeah.
I think it's called pedometer.
Yes, excellent job. Yeah, Tina. Great job, my girl. It's speedometer. Excellent. It's the one that counts the steps for you. It keeps a track of a vehicle speed. طيب, pedometer is for the steps. What is the thing that measure for you the speed of a car or a person? What we call that device from here? She knows, huh? Read the words and tell me which one that measure the speed.
Also magnifies distance objects. Keep track of a vehicle's speed.
Which one that measure the vehicle
Speedometer.
Speedometer, excellent, yeah. Tina, you are fire today. Speedometer, excellent job. Let's go ahead, Maria.
Okay, a blank and a landline blank both carry communication over wires.
And a landline both carry communication over wires. Something that gives you the communication from one place to another, but it needs a wire to make this communication. What is it? Is it paragraph, or is it telegraph, or telecommute, graphic, telescope?
Telecommute.
Telecommute. Are you sure? No. It needs a wire. Telecommute, it's when you have a computer from your home and you are working to the school. So the school has a computer and you have a computer. We don't need wires. We need Wi-Fi, but we need something to use it with wires to communication. It's telegraph and what? That we use every day. No, we use every day. To call my dad, to call my mom. Telephone and telegraph. Okay, number 7, Judy, for you. A and A are each smaller than an inch. Inch is about 30 centimeters. Who are the major words that we use it when we have less than centimeter?
Kilometer?
No, kilometer is 1,000 meter. You have it in the math, girls. Who is excellent in math?
Miss, not me, but I know it, I think.
Not you, طب يلا tell me.
Maria,
What and blank are each smaller than an inch. The second one is centimeter.
Excellent, very good. Very, very good. So we have centimeter. This is one. Another one is what? Less than the centimeter. You know centimeter?
Meter.
Yes.
Hi, Amal.
Meter.
What is meter? No. Meter is
Kilometer.
No.
Millimeter.
Girls, you didn't take this in the math? Millimeter.
We took it just today, actually.
Millimeter. Now you can link the both lessons together. Millimeter is the least thing. The least thing we have. And then bigger than the millimeter, we have centimeter. Centimeter have what? 10 or 100? Wallahi, I'm not sure because it was a long time. But anyway, centimeter is bigger than the millimeter. And then the meter have 100 centimeter. Yani meter bigger than the centimeter. And then we have kilometer. It has 1,000 meter. So kilometer is bigger than the meter. And then we have mile, which is 1,000 kilometer. Yani mile is the biggest one. Understand?
Miss, you help Miss Shea stuff.
You are what?
You help Miss Shea stuff for telling us the lesson.
Okay. You can use and to learn about the weather. I can use what and what to measure the weather and the yes.
Miss, I know.
Jenna.
Okay. Graphic?
No. Something related to weather, to heat,
I know, please.
to the
I
air.
know, that's science.
Something that measure the air, the pressure, the heat. What are these?
Oh, thermometer. Thermometer.
Thermometer, excellent. The first one, thermometer. This is the one for the heat. طيب, the one for the air and pressure.
I know, please. I know.
Barometer, excellent. These are the devices we use for the weather.
You can hear you, but your voice
It's really low and it's like.
It's like you're under a pillow like this.
Yeah.
My voice?
No, not
Feroz,
your
because
voice.
he's testing her
Feroz.
mic.
It's what, the mic?
Yeah, her mic
No,
isn't working.
her mic. Feroz.
Furjana, you mean?
No,
Okay.
Feroz.
Feroz.
Remove the pillow, Feroz. Remove the pillow. Remove the pillow. Okay, guys, I finished from this part. Should I go down?
Yeah.
Sure. Oh, yeah.
All of you? Hi, Fatulin, everybody.
Oh,
Yes, yes.
Yeah, I'm going down. Okay. Now number 11, yeah, Fairuz. Number 11 for you, and remove the pillow, please.
Yes, there is no pillow, but her mic doesn't work.
Yes, you know.
I know, I'm joking.
Yeah, I knew that you're joking.
Okay, Tulin then, because Fairuz is still under the blanket. Tulin, are you there?
Yes.
Okay, can you go for number 11, please? A group?
A group of sentences developing a single idea.
So a group of sentences developing one single idea. So group of sentences. So what we call it? Yes?
Paragraph.
Yes, excellent job. Paragraph. Very good. Number 12, Haifa. Number 12, are you there, Haifa? Haifa.
Okay. Miss, I know number 16.
Judy, are you there, Judy? Judy Rida. No, Judy is not there. Hi, Judy Sharif, are you there?
Yeah.
Okay, number 12 for you.
Yes, can you hear me?
Peter's a little bit. You can hear you a little bit, but it's still.
Hiya, Jude. Record.
It's like your hands.
Tala, please mute. Hi, Jude. Something we use to give us the CD, the sound of the CD or the cassette. What we call this device? Phono? Phono?
Miss, do you hear me now?
Yes, now I can hear you. طيب, 13 for you. Fairuz, are you there? Fairuz, are you there? Fairuz. I can't hear you again. طيب, Jude, again, ya Jude. A copy made with a photocopier. Now I have something written. I want to make a photocopy of that.
Miss me, Jude.
What is the sorry, number 13, picture or other visual presentation. Something I make a picture of it or I draw it in my own hand. What I call it, ya Jude? Jude.
Whoa.
Miss, she says you're so laggy.
Now I can hear
Miss,
you.
you are not laggy. You're good.
Miss, do you hear me now? Am I not?
Yes, Fairuz. Give me number 13. Hurry up.
Finally, I'm talking with my camera, you know.
Picture or other visual presentation. What do you call it?
Miss, I know.
Number 13. Jude, if you know then the answer, give it to me or write it on the chat
Wait,
Fairuz,
Miss, I know.
Miss, I know.
Fairuz, something it's like picture or sometimes I draw it in my own hand. What I call it? Tala.
Now we photo.
No, not telephoto. Yes, Maria.
Graphic.
Graphic. Very good, my girl. Graphic.
Miss, I know the other one.
Amal or Juri. Who's talking? Amal or Juri or Jana?
Jury.
Juri. Number 14 for you, Juri.
A copy made with a photocopier. Photocopy.
Photocopy. Excellent job, Juri. Very good.
Photocopy.
Photocopy. Okay, number 15. Feiruz, do you know the
Ready.
answer? Twice the length of a circle's radius. We
Okay.
said that if I want to measure the circle from inside, from this line to this line, I use something. I call it what?
Diet.
Huh? Yes, yes,
Is it the
yes.
diagram?
Diameter. Excellent job. Yeah, Feiruz, you got it. Excellent, my girl. Diameter. And then Jana, next one for you, ya Jana, and then Amal.
Okay.
Jana, number 16 for you.
A person own signature.
Mhm.
Miss, what does that mean?
If you want to sign a paper and you are signing your own name, what we call this signature? We have two names for this, signature or auto.
I know.
Photographer.
No.
No.
Hi, Amal.
Autograph.
Excellent. So we can call it, Jana, we can call, if you sign, we can call this signing signature or autograph. Number 17, yeah, Amal. 1,000 meter.
1,000 meter, kilometer.
Kilometer. Excellent, my girl. Very good.
I know.
Ariana, 18. Person who?
Person who takes photographs. Photographer.
Photographer. Excellent job. And then we have Maria.
Work from home using computers and other electronic devices. Telecommute.
Telecommute. Excellent, my girl. And then we have
Television.
Tala, the last one. Television. Very
A
good.
device that shows images on a screen.
Amazing, amazing, amazing. Thank you so much. Was it easy or hard? What do you think?
Easy.
Easy busy?
Lemon squeezy.
Easy. Okay, that's great, my girls. Let me check if you have something else. It's making these
Miss, we're finished, right?
not cool.
Please.
Okay, my girls, go to the other page, which is 369.
No.
We're supposed to finish it
Please,
before the
what
next
are you-
because we have
369.
This page.
Miss, can I read?
369. 369.
Miss, can I read, please? Miss, please. You chose Maria Long.
Yalla, Tala, yalla, Tala. Go ahead.
My mind.
No, you never choose me.
Tala and the others, mute yourself, please. Stop and behave very well, please. Tala only.
From
Tala.
feet to kilometers. Each time your feet hit the pavement, your body vibrates. A pedometer senses this vibration.
These vibrations.
These vibrations and moves a counter forward, counting the total number of steps. Then its computer changes to the number of steps into miles or meters. A bicycle odometer does something similar. It counts the number of times a wheel goes around. A computer uses a diameter of the wheel to compute the distance traveled, changing centimeters to meters. Rather than counting and revolutions, automobile odometers count the number of turns made by the car's transmission gears. A computer changes the millimeter to gears move to kilometers. The automobile moves. Can you guess how a speedometer works?
Okay, excellent job. So now we have in this passage, we have 6 spelling mistakes and also we have punctuation error sentence. Okay, let's go ahead right now for the spelling mistake first. Hi, Hi, Aman. Speedometer. Excellent. Who have another mistake also?
Me,
Maria. Jury.
Centimeter.
Centimeter. Please, can you circle it? I can see it from here.
Miss, I know. Okay.
Yes,
Please.
yes, Maria.
Diameter.
Diameter, centimeter. Excellent. What else?
Miss, Judy, I have another one.
Hiya, Judy.
Miss, I know.
I know, Miss, please.
Speedometer. Excellent. Another one also. What do we
Miss,
have?
I know, me.
Yes, yes, excellent, yeah, Maria. Thank you so much. These are 1, 2, 3, 4, and
Miss, I know the
5.
sentence.
And also it's, what is it?
Miss, I know.
Yes, yeah, Mariana.
Odometer.
Can you circle it, please?
Miss, I know the sentence.
Excellent. Okay, yes, yeah, Maria.
Can you guess how speedometer works? Question mark. Can you
Yes,
question mark?
excellent. The last one we should put a question mark, not a full mark. Okay, so we will write here speedometer.
I knew there was something wrong.
And then we have also speedometer. And we have also millimeter.
Miss double L.
It's not this one. It's not the mistake. It's this one. It's then it's. So we shouldn't put a comma. It's supposed to be S without the comma. And also the punctuation mark, it will be, can you guess how a speedometer works? Okay. We have here circled the correct spelling of each word. We have telecommute. Which one is the correct one? What do you think? Number 8.
Last one.
The last one. Number 9. Which one is the correct? All of you. Huh?
Middle.
Only Maria. Come on, girls. Number 10. Telescope. Which telescope
First.
is the correct one?
First.
First.
The first one.
First.
Last one.
The last
one.
one. The last one.
Last
Middle.
one, number 11.
Middle one.
The middle one.
First.
The
First.
first.
Last.
First one. The last one.
I'm just copying what Maria said.
No, I'm seeing
Miss, if we finish, can we leave?
Yes, if you finish, leave. That's it. We're done, my girl.
Bye.
I will see you, inshallah, in 15 minutes. Take care of yourself and bye-bye.
Bye.
Bye. The rest of you girls, try to complete, please.
Done.
Bye.